Hey, this is Morrow with RollSeal Doors. Got a really cool opportunity here to walk you through a back room that we just finished up. We've got 4 RollSeal doors connecting some boxes here that we'll kind of walk through. One non-RollSeal door. And with RollSeal, you got multiple claims to fame. You've got the airtight seal that we have. You've got the auto closure, which is a huge deal. Doors can't be left open. And most recently, you've got a full touchless system. So every RollSeal door that we walk through going forward will A, shut behind us, and B, will not have to be touched by me to activate them. So we'll kind of walk through. The first one that we'll get to here is a medium temp door. This is our wick door. And like I said, this door will shut behind us. This one's set on 5 seconds. And so you'll see after it gets set up that countdown, it will shut. All of this touchless features that you're seeing also are on both sides of the door. So if I'm exiting this box, just like entering it, all I have to do is walk up to it to trigger the motion and up the door goes. So both sides of the doors are touchless. This is a low temp box, so this door is equipped with our wave sensor, which we really recommend for these -10 environments. Very basic, right? Wave your hand in front of it and up the door goes. Another low temp box here, outside wave switch. And then the final door we get to will be another freezer door with a wave switch like you see. So again, just going through a cycle, you can see the doors coming down. All these wave switches, once you hit them, it will reverse the door, and out we go.